Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to enable Snapchat notifications on iPhone. By turning on Snapchat notifications, you will be informed when someone uploads a story, mentions you on their snap, sends you a friend request, writes you a message, and etc. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your phone settings and click on the notifications. Scroll down until you see Snapchat. Press on it. Now toggle the slider to the right in order to turn on notifications. If you want to see what kind of notifications from Snapchat you will receive, tap Snapchat notification settings. And it will move you to Snapchat. Here you can choose what notifications you want to receive and what don't. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you will know how to enable Snapchat notifications on iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.